Hello, my name is Dr. James Seema. I'm a chiropractic physician practicing in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida. I've been in private practice for over 30 years, and the majority of my practice deals with nutrition. Actually, the biggest portion of my nutritional practice has to do with weight loss and obesity. As you may be aware, obesity is something that's taking the United States by storm at this point. We have approximately over 80 million people who are overweight, and a larger majority of those are obese, and a smaller percentage of those are morbidly obese. It's been wreaking havoc as far as diabetes, type 2 diabetes, as far as cancer and heart disease. Did you know that 70% of all heart disease has to do with nutrition and obesity? And if you look at the million people or so a year that die from heart disease, you can see how we can literally decrease the death rate in the United States if we just learn how to deal with obesity. Most of my patients, when I deal with them with nutrition, the first question they always ask me is, how can I lose weight, doc? And the first thing I want you to know is that it's not about losing weight. That's what got most of the patients that I deal with in trouble in the first place. When you try to lose weight, what you literally do is decrease the amount of calories you take in and literally exercise even harder. If you don't understand what's going on, you'll get yourself in serious trouble, because if you decrease the amount of what you're eating and you exercise even harder, you're going to break the body down even more and cause more biochemical disturbances. As time goes on, 10, 15, 20, 30 years later, I find people that are 50, 60, 70 pounds overweight and they want the quick fix. People, there is no quick fix at this particular point. You need to speak to your doctor. He needs to help you with nutrition. Your chiropractor is probably the best doctor for you to go to speak to about this, because he understands how your body's working, how your body's functioning, and between his knowledge of chiropractic and his knowledge of nutrition, he can help put you on a program where you'll stimulate your metabolic furnace and burn more calories. And as time goes on, you'll start to drop just the water and the fat, but not the precious muscle and lean tissue that most people lose when they go on these fad diets and these fad exercise programs. And as time goes on, you'll start to see body fat peel off, you'll start to see water weight peel off, and you'll start to look and feel healthier and more vibrant as time goes on. I know, because I've seen my patients go from 30, 40, 50 pounds overweight back into a normal metabolic activity rate, and they feel great, they eat great, and they love the food that they're eating.